Here is how I assemble this board on a piece of cloth iron. Hello guys, welcome back. Here is the design of CH32V003 board with a 32-bit MCU from WCH. I designed and assembled this board and then upload my first Blink program into it. Welcome to Altium. Now with Altium you can build together with your team and work on the same project. Altium became the industry standard tool to provide schematic to full PCB solutions. If you are working professional or a student, you can learn PCB design from basics and grab a certification from Altium. There is a full course available for free. Enroll now and build the basics with industry standard techniques. Here comes the main schematic. You can find all the sections are well organized. You can find the USB input on the top right side. Then the CC register in order to access the USB type C to C cable. Then USB to TTL converter. I am using CH340C which comes with a built-in oscillator. Then we have a reset button and a LED indicator for power and serial transmissions. Coming to the bottom part, we have a 3.3 volt LDO with some filter capacitor and an external 24 megahertz crystal oscillator. Finally, the main CS32V003 F4P6 IC and pin headers for GPIO and programming section. Now coming to the PCB part, I have kept it as wide as Arduino Nano but overall smaller in length from Arduino. This microcontroller can be affordable replacement to the Arduino board. On the top layer, you can find USB Type-C connector, MCU in the middle, crystal along with it, and indicators. Now on the bottom blue layer, it contains USB to TL converter, some capacitor and resistor as a supporting circuitry and the LDO. Now here comes the 3D view. I have used the external tool to get the 3D view of this in order to see how the populated board looks. I got fabricated this PCB, 5 of them, from a manufacturing house near me. You can see the PCB. The design looks amazing in the black solder mask with white silk screen. Then I place all the components after applying solder paste and assemble it using the homemade solder plate. The cloth iron setup. I am eager to post a video on this also. If you want, let me know in the comments. Now you can see the side by side comparison of two boards. The core is different. The MCU is different, but the CH32V003 is 32-bit one and a powerful one. I did not put the LDO yet on the board because I will power it once through the pin header in order to see everything works. Time for the programming. Check the voltages around. Here is the WCH link key programming tool. It is a 10 pin tool, but we only need 3 of them: 3 volt, ground and SWIO. This is the only programmer which can program these ICs using the River Studio IDE. I have linked the software and hardware tools in the description below. Open the River Studio, go to the files, new project, select the IC and rename your project. In the project section, there are multiple files which can which has system configuration by default. You have to find the main.c. It will be under the user, which contains the real program to be dumped in. Now just copy your program into the main.c, save it and then hit build all. This will compile the program and change into the machine language. Then hit a download option in order to upload it in the board. Make sure the board is connected to the PC. And here we go, the program ran in the first go and the LED started blinking. This is how I completed the whole design of this board. So this is all from my side. Hope you like this build. The project is open source. Find the links to the PCB and programs in the description below.